Did you know that one simple morning routine could help improve your blood circulation, reduce leg pain, and even make walking easier, especially after the age of 60? Poor circulation is one of the silent challenges of aging. It starts slowly, cold feet, swelling, or leg cramps, and over time, as we age, our blood vessels become a little stiffer and our muscles lose some of their strength. This means the heart has to work harder to push blood down to the legs, and that's why many people over 60 notice tingling, swelling, or heaviness in their feet. Add in less movement, sitting for long periods, and even dehydration, and it's easy to see why circulation problems are so common. But here's the important part. You can train your circulation system, just like you train a muscle, and the morning is the perfect time to do it, because your blood. Before you grab your coffee or breakfast, start your day with a 5-minute circulation walk. You don't need to go outside, just walk slowly around your home or yard. As you walk, gently move your arms and take deep breaths. This simple movement gets your leg muscles pumping, which helps send blood back up to the heart. Studies show that even short bouts of walking improve leg circulation, oxygen delivery, and muscle function, especially in older adults. Pro tip, if you can, now let's boost circulation even more with a quick 2-minute exercise. Perfect if you have stiff legs in the morning. While sitting on a chair, do this. Tap your toes up and down 20 times. Then lift your heels up and down 20 times. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. This simple combo contracts your calf muscles, which act like a second heart, pushing blood from your legs back toward your heart. If you've ever noticed, now that your body is awake and your blood is moving, let's talk about what to eat in the morning to keep that circulation strong throughout the day. The biggest enemy of good blood flow? Inflammation and thick blood. And these are often made worse by common breakfast foods like processed meats, sausages, bacon, white bread and pastries, sugary cereals. These foods can increase bad cholesterol, raise blood sugar, and make your arteries less flexible, slowing down blood flow. Instead, choose circulation-boosting foods. Oats help lower cholesterol, berries rich in antioxidants, citrus fruits loaded with vitamin C for vessel health, walnuts or almonds provide omega-3s that improve blood vessel flexibility. Try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries and a few nuts. Simple, delicious, and your arteries will. Now, let's add one of the most powerful habits you can do every morning: gentle stretching. This not only improves flexibility and the posture, but also stimulates blood flow through your legs, hips, and lower back, areas that tend to stiffen overnight. You don't need yoga mats or fancy equipment. Just a chair or a wall will do. Here's a short 3-minute routine. 1. Ankle circles, 30 seconds per foot. Sit or stand, lift one foot slightly off the ground, and slowly rotate your ankle 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. This wakes up your veins and joints, improving blood return from the feet. 2. Calf stretch, 30 seconds each side. Stand facing a wall, hands on the wall, one leg forward and the other back. Keep your back heel on the floor and lean forward gently. You'll feel the stretch in your calf. This boosts blood flow to the lower legs and helps prevent cramps. 3. Leg swing, 30 seconds each leg. Hold on to a chair for balance and swing one leg forward and backward. This loosens your hip joints, increases circulation, and builds mobility. 4. Knee hug, 30 seconds each side. While standing or sitting, pull one knee gently toward your chest. This helps relax your lower back and improve circulation to your thighs and hips. 5. March in place, 1 minute. Finally, lift your knees gently one at a time, breathing deeply. This acts like a mini cardio session that wakes up your. After your stretch routine, the next most important step is hydration. Most people don't realize this, but your blood is nearly half water. After hours of sleep, your body becomes dehydrated, and when your blood is thicker, it moves more slowly through your veins. So before your coffee or tea, drink a glass of warm water, ideally with a few drops of lemon. Warm water helps dilate your blood vessels, and lemon provides vitamin C, which strengthens your vessel walls. Finally, I want to leave you with a simple daily goal that can make a huge difference. Commit to 10 minutes of movement every morning. It doesn't matter if it's walking, gentle marching, or chair yoga. Just move. Those 10 minutes signal your body that it's time to wake up, circulate, and energize. Remember, your legs are your lifeline to independence. Strong legs mean better balance, fewer falls, and more freedom to enjoy the things you love: gardening, traveling, or playing with your grandkids. So whether you're 61, a short walk to wake up your blood flow. 2. Toe taps and heel lifts to activate your calf muscles. 3. A nourishing anti-inflammatory breakfast. 4. Gentle stretches for flexibility and circulation. 5. A glass of warm lemon water to hydrate your blood. And finally, 10 minutes of daily movement. Start tomorrow morning. Your legs, heart, and energy levels will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because we share weekly tips to help you stay strong, active, and independent at any age.